Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Iswa Gulambas and you are watching Mishi's The World of Craft. Today I'm here with my shopping haul and let's start without wasting any time. So this is the t-shirt yarn that I have ordered for my bag. I like this color, so I ordered this color. This is the yarn I ordered. This is belly DK4 ply yarn that I have ordered for a project of mine, and as you all know, I have also made the review of this t-shirt yarn. If you want to see, you can explore go into the description box to check it out. These are the buttons that I have ordered, so I'll be making a project with it, DIY something like that, and you'll soon be going to get it. Now these are the buttons I really liked. I have just ordered. I haven't thought what to make with it, but soon I'll be making something. These are 6 total straps for the bag that I used. So I have some bags ready and I have to attach the straps and the findings, the notions of each of them. So I have ordered these straps, so 6 golden, 6 silver, and to attach these to the bag I have ordered these D clips over here. And what is this? These are the pacifier clips that are sent by my friend who wants me to make the pacifier clips for her baby. So inshallah I'll be making some tutorials also. So these clips are basically not bought but sent by my friend. And last but not the least, let me show you this macrame cord. This is the, you can see the thickness and it's soft, it's not the hard one. So I'll also be using it in one of my upcoming project. So you can see that this comes in the form of hangs, and this is how it looks like. And each hang, it was 600 to 700 grams. So this one hang is 650 grams and I bought one. And I've also asked to that person, the shopkeeper, that if I'll be needing some more. They said yes, you can. And there are so many variety of colors. And also let me show you these buttons. You know what, the uncle, the shopkeeper, said there are 40 colors in these buttons, and there were also the smaller size, but I preferred this one. So now let's see what are we going to do. So thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you found this wonderful, as I'm so excited to have all these things and do the shopping. So thank you so much. This was it for today. Have a great day.